Something impossible just happened in the world of computing. And if you're sitting at a desk right now using a PC or an older Mac, your entire workflow just becomes obsolete. It's 2026, and Apple didn't just release a new computer. They just dropped a nuclear bomb on the desktop industry. We are talking about the brand new Mac Mini M5. For years, the Mac Mini was the budget choice, the little silver box that could. But today, that little silver box has evolved into a predator. With the M5 chip, Apple has achieved a level of power-to-size ratio that defies the laws of physics as we knew them 3 years ago. If you are a video editor, a 3D artist, a software developer, or just someone who demands a computer that never, and I mean never, makes you wait, you need to hear this. This isn't just a spec bump. This is the moment the desktop tower died. Let's talk about the monster under the hood, the M5 Silicon. Built on a revolutionary 2-nanometer process, this chip is packed with over 30 billion transistors. To the average person, that's just a number. To a creator, that translates to raw, unadulterated speed. The M5 features a 12-core CPU and a 16-core GPU in the base model alone. We are seeing single-core performance that smokes high-end gaming rigs that cost 3 times as much and take up 10 times the space. But the real magic of the M5 isn't just the raw horsepower, it's the intelligence. This year, Apple has integrated a dedicated Apple Intelligence Gen 2 neural engine. This isn't just about Siri. This is about your computer learning your habits. It's about Final Cut Pro rendering 8K video in the background while you're still color grading. It's about Photoshop removing complex objects from a 100-megapixel photo in less than a second. The M5 doesn't just process data. It anticipates your next move. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the design. For the first time in over a decade, Apple has actually shrunk the Mac Mini. It is now nearly half the size of the previous generation, almost disappearing under your monitor. But don't let the size fool you. Thanks to the 2 nanometers efficiency, the M5 runs so cool that the fan, if you can even call it that, is virtually silent. You can push this machine to its absolute limit, rendering a 3D masterpiece or compiling millions of lines of code, and you won't hear a whisper. It is the ultimate Zen workstation. For the USA audience, where time is money, isn't just a saying but a way of life, the Mac Mini M5 is the ultimate ROI. Think about the minutes you lose every day. The spinning beach balls, the loading bars, the stuttering playback. Over a year, that's dozens of hours wasted. The M5 gives that time back to you. It handles ProRes 422 video like it's a simple text file. It opens massive Logic Pro sessions with hundreds of tracks instantly. It is the first time a mini computer has truly earned the title of a workstation. But let's talk about connectivity, because Apple finally listened to us. The M5 Mac Mini features 4 Thunderbolt 5 ports. Thunderbolt 5 is a game changer. We're talking about data transfer speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second. You can connect 3 6K Pro Display XDRs and still have bandwidth left for a high-speed RAID array. For the first time, your external drives will feel as fast as your internal SSD. No more bottlenecks. No more compromises. And then there's the